If your car has done you in and you're stuck with oil and grease stains on your concrete floor, here's a quick tip that will help you get that garage floor clean. First of all, you'll need to scrape up as much of the stain as you can. You can either use a putty knife or I'm using a 3-in-1 barbecue grill brush. I'm using this because it has the scraper and the bristle brush. Now you wouldn't want to put this back on your barbecue grill, however, for safety reasons. So just save it for projects such as this one. Now once you're finished scraping, you'll need to wet the stain down with some water. I'm also wearing gloves to protect my hands. Then you need to sprinkle on some trisodium phosphate crystals, TSP, and you can get the crystals at your local hardware store or home center. Now using the bristle brush, as the crystals dissolve, start scrubbing away. You may need to add some more TSP and some more water, and then just keep scrubbing. But as you can see, this stain is already starting to come up. With a little elbow grease, you can get rid of a lot of grease on your concrete floor.